Create a delightful spa atmosphere with the Insignia Signature Steam Generator, a premium, high-quality professional-grade system ensuring robust performance and convenient installation. Built to last, the Signature system is ideal for a home or commercial environment. At the simple touch of a button, you can conveniently control the LED chromotherapy mood lighting, temperature, aromatherapy, timer, descaler, and exhaust fan all from the control panel. The Signature control panel is completely waterproof, allowing you to install it inside the steam room should you wish to. Create the perfect ambiance with Insignia's luxury, high-quality and fully waterproof LED chromotherapy mood lighting system. Developed especially for use with the Signature Steam system, you can enjoy 2 modes of lighting, either fixed or scrolling. Enjoy a spa experience time after time, relaxing your senses, reviving and rejuvenating, leaving you feeling glowing and refreshed with the Insignia Signature Steam Generator.